Good morning, Ryan from Perry's here. This is just a quick video to show you the basic controls of your new vehicle, just to minimise contact when you do come into the showroom. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off on the steering wheel, then we'll work our way around the vehicle. So on the steering wheel here, you've got your volume controls, also your Bluetooth controls, which I'll show you how to set up in a moment. So with the volume, you can go up and down, push it in to mute it. This button here, if you've got your phone connected up and you're listening to the music via your phone, you can go through the songs by pushing this one up and down, okay? This button here will go between the radio and your Bluetooth device, okay, so you can switch between the two. And when your phone is connected up via Bluetooth or plugged in down here just with a USB cable, you can push this button, it's voice command, so you can tell the vehicle who you want to call and it will call that person, okay? And then you've got your answer and your decline button for phone calls. On the right hand side is where your trip computer is controlled, okay, so this button here will go through the middle screen in there, and then you can use this one to go through the different settings in there to see sort of how many miles to the gallon you're getting. You've got a compass on there, and then you've got your lane keep assist, and then you've got just your user settings in that one there, okay? Mode is for the cruise control, so you push mode once, you'll see at the top there just under the fuel it'll come up saying cruise. When you're at your speed you desire, you can just pull this down to set and it will hold you at that speed. You can increase the speed and decrease the speed by doing this. To cancel it out, you can push that little O button, or you can tap the brake and it will cancel it out as well, okay? Push mode again and it will come up with limit, so you can actually push this down and set a limit that the vehicle will not go over. So you can set that, and then again to cancel that you can just push this button, and if you want to get the limit gone, push the cruise control button again and that will go, okay? On the indicator stalk, you've got your lights, so it has got automatic lights, so you don't need to worry about those, just leave it on auto and they will come on. When it is night time and it is quite foggy, I've just turned the lights on just to show you how it works. Your fog lights, just pull that one down and you'll see up the top there, the little orange symbol will come on to say that your fog lights are on. To turn it off, pull it back down and they will go off, okay? Right hand side is your window wipers, so the vehicle again is fitted with automatic window wipers, so you push it up once and it will go to the auto setting, and then you can adjust how often you want them to go off as well, okay? On the right hand side is where your lane keep assist, your tyre pressure monitoring system is all set. You've also got this button here which will display, do the brightness display, and then you've got your headlight adjustment of how high you want your headlights, okay? On the driver's door you've got all your window controls and your exterior mirror controls. So at the top it has got auto folding mirrors, so you leave it in the middle. When you lock the vehicle they will fold in. Push it to the left, they will fold in. Push it to the middle again, they will also fold out, okay? And then you've got your left and right mirror adjustments. This button here will lock the rear window, so the passenger in the back cannot undo the rear windows from the back. You will still have control from these two buttons, but they won't in the back, okay? And then you've got your memory function, so you can set it to where you want, push set and then hold which number you want that position to set to. You can have two settings, so for yourself and your wife, okay? Moving over to the gear stick, so to put it into drive there's a little button on the back, push that in, pull it down to drive, okay, and it will come up on there saying D1. You can put it into the manual mode, so you can go up and down the gears just like this, okay? Back to neutral, into reverse, you get your little camera come up, okay, then back into park. Now vehicle is fitted with a couple of drive modes, so at the moment it's just in normal mode. You push drive mode and it will put it into sports mode, okay? You've got your heated steering wheel and your heated seat for the driver, and then your heated seat for the passenger. This button here is for parking sensors, so if you are parked for a long period next to a wall or an object and they are beeping, you can just simply turn the beep off by pushing this button. If you turn the vehicle off and turn the vehicle back on, they will automatically come back on. And then this one here is for the stop-start system, okay? So vehicle is fitted with stop-start technology, so when you come to a set of traffic lights or you sit in traffic, the engine will cut out just to save fuel and obviously the economy as well, okay? Moving on to this bit here, you've got your heating controls. So you've got your fan speed with a big and small one. You've got the main windscreen blower, or you can push this one which will put the main front windscreen blower onto max, okay? And then you can just turn it up and down. And then you've got your direction controls, okay? So you can have it on you, on your feet, okay? It has got an auto feature as well, so you push it auto and it will adjust to whatever you want it to, okay? And you can have the driver's side at 24 and the passenger side at 20. If you push sync, it will automatically sync to whatever the driver's side is, okay? And then just simply turn it off like that. Air conditioning button, recirculation, button here, the lock and the unlock button in the middle, and you've got your hazard button. Now onto the entertainment screen. Split into two screens. So on the left hand side you've got your sat nav, which is nice and easy to use. You push the nav button and then click address, and then just pop in a postcode in the city bit and then click OK. Set as destination. At the moment it's saying destination is too close, that's because we're at the destination already, but that is how you set that. Okay, or you can just push map and have the map on the full screen. To get back you just push the home button. Radio, just turn it on with the button just over here. Okay, and then you've got your station lists which you can scroll through, all in here. Now to connect your phone up, there's a couple of ways of doing this. You can either push the settings button and go to Bluetooth. Make sure that the Bluetooth is turned on your device. Go to Bluetooth connections, and then you just click add new, and it will come up vehicle name i30. So you go to your settings on your Bluetooth device, find the i30, click pair, and then it will ask you for a pin. Just make sure that the pins match up, and then you'll be connected. Now if you want to listen to your songs from your phone, you just push the media button. At the moment it's not connected up, but that is how you do that. Okay, if you have got any questions you can refer back to this video in the future, okay, or you can just give me a call. Thank you, and I'll see you soon.